Hey guys, it's Patrick. In this video, as I said, I'm gonna talk about Boolean operators, and the next video will be about variables. Now, this Boolean operators that I'm gonna talk about is specifically about these three signs here. Okay, guys. Now let's talk about these three Boolean operator signs. This sign is called technically it's called ampersand, I think, but in operations we call it and. Um, so we're gonna just say it's and these two parallel lines, which we call it or, and this exclamation mark, which we call it not. So now we move on to the next page. In this table, you can see what it means. Like I said, this ampersand is and this is or, and this is not. So let's talk how they work. First, let's start with and. If you have two expression, like it's true and false, it will result false. If it's false and it's true, it's again false. If both is false, it's false. And if it's both true, the result is true. Let me tell you a little secret. This is like just let me write this. If we consider true is positive and false is minus, it's just the same thing that we do when we multiply plus and minus. In this false, we get false. False to true is false. False to false is false, and plus to plus is plus, which is true. Now let's talk about the two parallel lines, or the or. So I'm gonna add a new page so I can write for you. So oh, by the way, we do not space this encoding. I just do it so it's more visible. Let me make it bigger. Okay, no, okay. So as we say, this is called or. Let me do an operation so you know how it works. When we say true or false, let me do this. Let me erase this. The result of this is true. If we have one true in our operation, it will be true. So if we switch these sides, like it's false or true, it's again true. The only way that we get false is false or false, like we get false or false. So it's pretty easy. Now let's move on to the last part. So let's open a new page again. The exclamation mark. Let's make it bigger again. Okay. So this is called not. So let's add not and make it smaller. Okay. Okay. Now this not sign. This means, like for example, when we say true, we say not true. When it's not true, then it's false. So let me write an example, like it's exclamation mark not true. The result of this is false. If it's also false, like exclamation mark false, not false, like if we just print this out, okay, if it's this, the answer is true. When it's not false, then it's true. So let me get the mess out of here. Let me do another one so you understand. If we have, like for example, two exclamation marks, like two nuts, to false. Let me write this down. Okay, now this one, the answer of this will be true. And if we write this true, we also have another note here. So if we add this and we remove this, it will be false again. And this is pretty easy too. And I hope you understand this. And see you on the next video.